Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all well and doing great. Here in this video I am sharing Unze London brand new summer collection 2020 or sandals and slippers. All designs are included here with price. Please watch the video till end without skipping so that you can go through all beautiful newly launched sandals designs. Friends, if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon too for getting notifications of new uploads. If you like these designs, please thumbs up, like my video and share it with your friends and family on social media networks. Snakeskin printed sandals and sleepers designs is one of the best design for this summer 2020. Square toe slingback design is very comfortable and beautiful design. Dull golden color is also very attractive color for parties and functions. Both casual wear and formal wear sandals designs are included here in this collection. Flat and heel, different type of beautiful designs are included here. Here you will find one of the stunning collection of different beautiful newly launched Unze London brand sandals which are best for casual wear, office wear and party wear. You will see all different types of those heels designs which are very practical, comfortable, stylish and popular all over the world among ladies. Here you will find very simple, decent, comfortable but stylish type of footwear design. Very beautiful and trending collection of all those sandals which are in fashion, and these are very popular designs with breathable designs. Two-tone sandal design is one of the best and perfect design for all age group ladies. Black is also very attractive and best color. Square toe mid block heel design is best for all age group ladies. Here I am sharing one of the most demanding, very stylish, beautiful, soft sorts of designs of summer sandals and slippers with you people. In this video I will show you all variations of footwears collection with super soft material and eye-catching colors. Some of the platform soles, wedge style sandals you can keep for your casual wear activities, and otherwise all those chunky styles of heels you can keep for your formal activities. Sling bag, zipper bag, bag open styles of these sandals with chunky styles of heels, platform soles, wedge style, block heel, trending going on nowadays. Now sandals are designed with double, triple or multi strips. Two-tone sandals designs are also hot favorite designs of footwears like color contrast in dresses. Designers are trying to introduce best color contrast in footwears also. All types of different straps like thin, medium, wide, printed and transparent strips are used to design the footwears. Double sole sandals are also best design. Nowadays every brand trying to introduce their footwears with different type of accessories like pearls, beads, stones and flowers, and these are most favorite designs of girls and ladies. In all brands, animal printed sandals designs is also introduced. Snake skin, tiger and leopard print look so stylish and pretty. Floral printed sandals designs are also hot favorite design nowadays. The best feature of brown and black footwear is that it is best perfect fit with all outfits. See different eye-catching, attractive colors and comfortable styles are best perfect for your lifestyle, especially for young ladies. Low heels are best for casual wear and long heels are best for formal occasions. I hope you can feel the comfortability and softness of these leather sandals and slippers too. These designs are walk friendly and foot friendly. Different age group ladies find attraction in such types of sandals and slippers designs. In this collection you will find round toe, square toe, pointed toe and peep toes, all best designs. Nowadays square and pointed toe sandals are also very popular beside round toe. With the help of these collection, you can get the ideas regarding these footwears, that which type of designs are in fashion and which sorts of designs are very popular. And when you see the style and comfortability blend, this is one of the best collection for yourself. Style, comfortability, simplicity and practicality, all these features you will find here in this collection with different sorts of footwears. Such types of sandals are best for creating unique type of styles in your personalities. I am sure that you will also find one of the pair out of this collection which will be according to your choice and taste. And if you are interested to buy any one pair out of this collection, then just go to description box of this video where you will find the link of that site through which you can easily order and do online shopping. These designs are also available in markets all over the world very easily because these are in a fashion, as this is the need of time too that all the people prefer to do shopping online, so these pairs are also available online. One of the best collection for casual wear, formal wear and party wear. Super comfortable collection you are watching here with eye-catching colors. This is bestseller collection because ladies love to wear such type of footwear designs. Snakeskin printed sandals and slippers are very much in a fashion nowadays. Although this is one of the collection which is fit for all age group ladies, the designs are popular all over the world among ladies. See different types of very attractive colors and blend of different colors you are watching here in this video, and this is one of the stunning and best collection. Peep-toe style slingback design with chunky block heel design is best design for girls and ladies. The colors of these sandals is also very attractive and eye-catching. Tie knot sandal design is also best design for girls. Double strap slingback design long block heel is best design for office and party wear. Both printed and plain sandals are included here in this collection. Flat sandals are designed with anklet strap, and price of these sandals are also mentioned with designs. I hope you love to see these designs, and if you like this collection, please thumbs up for it, means to say hit the like button. And you can also share this video with your friends and family members on social media networks like WhatsApp, Facebook and Twitter, etc. Transparent designs are also included here in this collection. Friends, if you are new here in my channel, and if then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon too for getting notifications of new uploads. Please suggest me in comment box what designs you want to see more in my channel. If you want to see more branded collections of footwears and designer dresses, then visit my channel, click on video or playlist section. You will find all the branded sandals and designer dresses new collection very easily. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself till the next collection. Allah Hafiz.